Get out of the way or suffer the consequence. We bring it to him.
Don't be an idiot!
Let's get out of here.
Can't be many more cops in this town. Bring him.
This is fucked, man! The thing is blown!
I got my share. It's still wide open.
Cars up here! Let's go!
Move! Come on!
The kid might have failed! This wasn't in the job description! Let's move! Come on!
Let's move it.
What took you so long?
Shut the fuck up and drive.
Woo! Did you see that shit? Fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that?
Yeah, you're a real stout.